5:30 here in UK, and I'm ready to go in.
That makes you go to the shop, or you see penguins around the pool. I didn't think that through. I didn't think that through, did I?
Welcome to our pool day today with the kids, and today we're going to do a boat race, and who's going to win? Watch till the end to find out. Okay kids, I want you to come and choose which boat would you like, this one here or this one here. Okay, come on. Okay, just choose it and then stay next to it. Like, come and stay next to it. Which boat reach the end first will win. Go, 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 Tassie, go, Tassie, go, Tassie, go, Tassie. Oh, that's wrong. She won.
How? Why not the first? No, let's do a different round where I can see everyone.
One, go.
I'm sinking. I'm free.
Okay, go, 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 Dashi, go, Dashi.
It was mine.
Yeah.
It was mine.
I'm having some bourbon cream biscuits and a reggae sunrise, passion fruit and papaya.
I'm also having some bourbon biscuits and I'm having a Sabina.
Oh. Oh. And who won the pool race?
Only by a technicality.
Only
by a technicality. My drink is gone. I just finished this rest, so let's bourbon. I think I can have another bourbon, no? Oh, that's good. Eat. I bet the pool makes me really hungry. Yeah, I am starving. Are you really hungry from the pool, Dad? Can't wait for dinner.
No. Yes.
You are, because you've just eaten a pack of bourbons. And then you for your dinner? I can't wait for dinner.
No? So, what else is there? This is, I don't know the name.
A barcode.
A barcode, her favorite.
Bourbon creams.
Bourbon cream.
Yeah.
I'm dying of bourbon creams as well.
Yeah.
I'm gonna put on some sun cream.
It's ready to go out. Adopted.
I'm
always really cautious when it comes to the kids and the sun cream. I had sunburn, really bad sunburn when I was a kid. Yeah. And I'll never forget it, the back of my knees. Each one had a huge blister with sunburn. And I just remember it was like 3 o'clock in the morning, dark. You know when the temperature goes down? Trying desperately to kill the pain. The sunburn was that bad. So maybe I'm overcautious, I don't know. But every couple of hours, they got to plaster themselves in sun cream again.
The next game is called Musical Statue, and whoever moves is going to lose. So this is between Blake and Darcy, and they are fighting for the semi-final. And let's see, stay with us and let's see who's gonna win, who's got the better ear to listen to the music and stop.
Like what's that?
I can't do it.
I know, it's making me laugh. I am just too still, right?
Who don't need to do it?
No, the whole time.
Like puzzle.
Yeah, the whole time.
Because I'll be the same height as her then.
Yeah.
The whole time.
That was making me laugh.
Oh, don't put it down.
Oh, and the winner is...
It's a draw.
It's a draw.
It's 2-2. It's a draw.
So tomorrow we're doing a barbecue and I've been out shopping today. The first thing I bought was this very clever meat thermometer. You can never be too careful with a barbecue. So once you finish cooking, once you think it's finished cooking, you put this in the meat. It tells you along there what you're looking at, what temperature. So like I said, you can't go too far wrong. Oh, safety matches. And then, these are my favourite. The barbecue and they went to the kitchen. And then, it's so heavy I could just about pick it up. You will know, you will all know, cleaning a barbecue after you use it is hard work. It is hard work. You have to do it while it's still hot. Otherwise you're going to go. So, look at this bad boy. My barbecue cleaning brush. And it's also got the scraper thing, which I don't tend to use the scraper thing, but that's a bit of a beast of a brush. So I'm happy with that. I bought this Weber grit cleaner. When the barbecue's still hot, you spray this on, give it 5 minutes, leave it longer ideal, but still, whilst the barbecue's still hot, you use your brush, scrape it if need be, and it brings everything up nice and clean. And if you're like us and you have a dog, there's no nasty chemicals in there.
Okay, a little bit. Today we are having barbecue, me and my family, and join us.
Today was such a beautiful day and we thank the Lord for it. We managed to get so much done, cleaning the garden, sorting things out, making everything feel fresh again. While the work was going on, the kids were having so much fun in the pool, laughing, splashing and enjoying the sunshine. Then we ended the day with a lovely barbecue. There was plenty of food, lots to go around, and everyone played their part. We are so grateful for the family, teamwork, laughter, and the simple days like this. Thank you, Lord.
And that is how we ended our beautiful family day today. And if you do like this content, please like, subscribe and share, and we'll see you the next time.